And it goes a little something like.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As promised, in today's video I'm going to be doing a little bit of a shopping haul. This video is mainly going to be things that I ordered off of Myntra and Ajio. Now honestly, this is the first time that I've shopped from Ajio, and contrary to my belief, Ajio actually has a lot of stuff in western wear. I mean, so many good pieces in western wear. I honestly thought that Ajio is more of a traditional or Indo-Western kind of website or an application, but it has so many western pieces that I actually shopped a lot more from Ajio than from Myntra. I mean, from Myntra I only have like 3 to 4 pieces, but from Ajio I ordered like around 7 or 8 things, and that's like okay, I've already done a super long intro, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with talking about Myntra. The first thing that I ordered from Myntra is this super cute A-line leopard print dress. This is something, I mean, I've been wanting to have a lot of animal prints in my wardrobe since I do not have any. I mean, I just have this one and another top from Shein, but apart from, and this short that I recently got, but okay. Yeah, okay. So coming back to the dress, it's an A-line dress. It has a halter neck and I really like the back of it. I mean, you just get this button closure over here and there's a key detail over here, which I absolutely love. This is mainly a fit and flare dress, which is like a little bit loose on me, and that's how I like my A-line dresses to be. I like them to be a little bit loose so that they can be airy and everything. Talking about the price of this one, this dress was originally, okay, I got it from Marston Harbour, sorry for not mentioning that, but I got it from Marston Harbour and the actual price of this dress was $12.99, but I got it for $526, which is like 60% or 70% off, and I love the quality. It's not like cotton material, but it's really amazing. It's breathable, and yeah. The next thing that I got from Myntra is this pair of straight leg jeans from American Eagle. Now, before talking about the jeans, I mean, I have something to say, and that is, what is up with the sizes of American Eagle? I mean, I am a waist size 30 right now. I ordered a waist size 28 that was loose on me, so I got it exchanged and I got a size 26 and that is again loose on me. I mean, it's still like 1 or 2 sizes loose on me. I mean, dude, what's up? But honestly, the quality of this one is really amazing. It's not one of those stretchy jeans. I love the hem of this one. I like my jeans to be a little bit distressed. The material is amazing. I love how breathable it is, and it's not something that sticks onto your body. I mean, I like skinny jeans, but I'm more inclined towards boyfriend fits and straight leg jeans nowadays. So yeah, I really love this one. Okay, talking about the price, the original price of jeans was $44.99, but I got it for $24.30, which is not very cheap, but for the quality, it is amazing. The next thing that I got from Myntra is this white t-shirt. It's a plain white basic t-shirt, and I love basics. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love my basics. They're so easy to style. You can style them up, you can style them down, you can layer them up, wear them in winter, summers, and like you name it and you have it. Basics are evergreen. If you were to have like 5 pieces in your wardrobe, consider your basics first, because these are the things that will help you build an outfit every single time. So yeah, basics always. Coming back to the t-shirt, so this t-shirt is from Besiva. It's like a high and low t-shirt. It's a little bit short on the front and a little bit U-shaped from the back, which is something that I really like. It has a flowy fit. It's not a straight fit t-shirt. It has a little bit of a flowy fit. So you can basically just tie a knot, you can just wear it just like that, layer it with a cardigan or anything like that. It is so versatile. I've also posted a video, or I think a picture of how I styled it on my Instagram, so if you're interested, you can go and check it out over there. Talking about the price of this t-shirt, this t-shirt was originally priced at rupees 849, but I got it for 391. So the next thing that I have is again a white t-shirt. Now in my defense, I did not buy this. My brother actually bought it for himself. It's from Roadster. It's from men's section, and it was just a size smaller on him, so he just gave it to me. But I love how it fits. I mean, the material of this one is way thicker than the Basiva one because it's pure cotton. As far as I know, it's cotton. Yeah, it's pure cotton. You get this is comparatively a straight fit t-shirt because obviously it's from men's section. Honestly, I like this one a lot, a little bit more than the Basiva one. And honestly, the quality is amazing. I'm not sure of the price about this one because my brother gave it to me. However, I'll link everything down below in the description bar along with the prices and everything, and I'll also mention the price of the t-shirt on the screen somewhere over here, so make sure to check that out. That was all what I got from Myntra. Now jumping on to Ajio because we have a lot of stuff, I think 7 to 8 pieces from Ajio. So let's just begin with it. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Ajio is this really pretty light green color t-shirt from the brand. It's from the brand DNMX and it says take me to the mountains, and that's exactly how I feel right now. The quarantine has been so exhausting and I really want to travel, but I can't. But I want to. Okay, coming back to the t-shirt, it has like little bit of silver detailing over here. Please don't mind the iron, it came back from laundry. Again, this is really breathable and looks pretty with jeans, with joggers and anything and everything. Basics, again girls, basics, invest in your basics. Okay, talking about the price of this one, the original price of the t-shirt, imagine, it's so cheap, but the quality is amazing. The original price was $299 and I got it for $250. What a steal. Honestly, what a steal. Next thing that I have is this really, I mean, this is the cutest piece. Not the cutest, but the second cutest piece that I have. It's a pink t-shirt which says be yourself. I cannot even tell you how much I believe into this. If you want to make a way for yourself in anything and everything that you do in life, you need to be yourself. If you just try and copy someone, if you try and be someone else rather than being yourself, people notice. I mean, as much as you think that nobody is gonna notice that, but people know, people just snake out. So make sure, be yourself, and that's exactly why I bought this t-shirt. It reminds me all the time that I have to be myself. I styled this t-shirt also with another piece from the same haul, so in case you're interested, again, go and follow me on Instagram and you can watch that video over there. This t-shirt is from the brand Team Spirit and the original price of this one is $399, but I got it for 210 rupees, which is like... Okay people, talking about my favorite piece from the haul, it is this 3-tier skirt. I actually saw this skirt on Harshala's channel, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted it. It is such a pretty skirt. The moment I got it, the first thing I did was wear it and twirl around. It looks so pretty. The print is amazing. I mean, everything is so amazing. So this skirt is from the brand Aditi Vasan. I think she's a designer. The original price was $13.99, but I got it for, guess it, I got it for $543, which is, I mean, I'm just saying it for like every single thing, but yeah, this is such a steal. The next thing I have is another t-shirt. It is from the brand Team Spirit again. This has Venice Beach written over here in brown, which looks so amazing. The color combination of the blue and the brown looks so pretty. The original price of this one is $3.99, but I'm pretty sure that I got it for cheaper than this. There's not much of a difference. The original price is $3.99 and I got it for $3.35, but it's amazing. This one is like a really soft cloth. I'm not sure what it is, but let me check. Yeah, it's polyester. It's not cotton. It's 96% polyester and 4% spandex. That's the reason it's stretchable also, but it's a very soft fabric. It's not like those polyester pieces which, you know, which cause itching, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's a pretty good t-shirt and not the best thing that I bought, but I really like this one also. Okay, Okay, before showing you guys the next thing, I really want to point this out that in case you guys are looking for some really cute t-shirts, then there are two brands on Ajio that you should check out. One is Team Spirit and the next one is, I think, Rio. Rio and Team Spirit have very cute clothes. Like the Be Yourself t-shirt is from Team Spirit, and there are few items that I have from Rio also. But yeah, in case you like cute clothing and you like affordable and cute clothing, something like Shein alternative, then definitely check these two brands on Ajio. Okay, so the next thing that we have is this pair of grayish blue palazzo pants. It's like a really flowy pair. I honestly just got it for two reasons. One, because of the color, and secondly, it looks, I mean, at least it looked like corduroy on the Ajio app, and honestly I'm obsessed with corduroy. Not like I own anything in corduroy, I just feel it's a very luxurious fabric to own, and I got two things in this haul that looked, I mean, I just got it because it looked like corduroy. So yeah, again, this one, I think it's polyester, at least that is what I think because of how the fabric feels. But yeah, it is 96% polyester, and this one is from a brand called Rio. The original price of this pair of palazzo pants is $7.99 I think, and I got it for $335 only. Okay, so continuing with the corduroy obsession. Hello, say hello to my one of my favorite joggers ever. This again looked a little bit like corduroy, and that's the reason I got it. It's a very pretty emerald bottle green kind of shade. It has a little bit of sheen to it, honestly, which is something I am not a very big fan of, but it looks decent. I mean, it's not like that flashy sheen that fabrics sometimes have, but it's a decent piece to own. I really like this silver and white and purple stripes that are here. It just gives a little bit extra oomph factor to the pair of joggers. This one is this one is from Ajio's in-house brand. I'm not sure what the fabric is because it feels very synthetic, and there's nothing as such written in here, and honestly it's like a little, like 10% transparent also, so you need to make sure that you wear the right kind of innerwear because you don't really want to flash anybody. But honestly, it's a very pretty piece to own in case you're looking for something more than just utility, if you know what I mean here. But yeah, again, something that I would personally wear, and I have worn this. That's the reason that the tag is not here, but honestly love this one also. So the price of this pair of joggers was originally $22.99, and again mentioning it, it's from Ajio's in-house brand, but I got it for 893 rupees only. Alright, coming to the last piece of this haul, it's this brown pair of A-line shorts. Again, this is such a flowy pair of shorts that it looks a little bit like skirt, but it is a pair of shorts. I wish it was a pair of skirt. It's like a simple finish in the front and a sort of a paperback finish at the back, which is a little weird, but I still like it. I mean, it's very casual. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, you can pair them up with a pair of heels and blazer, and you can also wear it with a pair of sneakers and t-shirt. Again, guys and girls, both, basics. Invest in your basics, things that you can style in multiple ways, other things that you need in your wardrobe, and that's how you make 10 outfits by just using one pair of shorts or jeans or whatever you own. The price of this one was originally $1,799, but I got it for $698 only. That's about it. These are all the things that I got from Ajio and Myntra. If you guys want me to do more such hauls, like the video, share it, and comment down below. Let me know what websites or applications do you want me to do a haul on. The next video that's coming out will be a Nykaa haul, as I already promised you guys. It's gonna be a Nykaa haul, so stay tuned for that. Also, I'm gonna be styling a few of these pieces. I mean, I've already styled a few, but a few are left, so I'm gonna be styling the rest of these pieces on my Instagram, so make sure to go and follow me there. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Till then, bye bye and take care.